Hello, Dr Michelle Dickinson here, author of the Kitchen Science Cookbook. Now lots of you have told us that you love our scrumptious slime recipe and want to know if there's any other edible slimes that we can make. So I thought I'd share with you my marshmallow slime recipe. It's very simple. All you need are some marshmallows, a little bit of corn flour or cornstarch, and some oil. We're going to use some coconut oil here. So take 2 handfuls of marshmallows and put them into a heat-proof bowl. Now you're going to put this bowl in the microwave for 30 seconds. So these will be quite hot, be very careful. Now you're going to take a spoon and just check that they are nice and hot and squishy. Give them a good stir around. They smell yummy. Now, once you've given them a good stir, you want to make them a little bit lubricated. So we're going to take some oil, a little spoonful of oil. I'm going to use some coconut oil here, but you can use any oil that you have, sunflower or vegetable oil. We're going to stir that oil in. That's going to melt really nicely. Okay, so that's now given us a little bit of lubrication or loosened it all up. Now we're going to add in here some corn flour or cornstarch, about half a cup in total, but don't add it all in one go. Add a little bit, and you're just going to stir it around and mix in as much flour as you can with the marshmallow. Here we go. Yum, smells delicious. Now if you want to change the color, this is the point where you can add some food coloring into the mixture. I quite like keeping them pink to go with the marshmallow color. And then once it's cooled down enough, make sure your hands are clean and it's cooled so it's not too hot, and then you can start kneading it like you would normally do a slime with your hands. I'm going to take some of this, I'm going to put it onto a board here. I'm going to put a little bit of flour on my board, and we're just going to knead it like we would normal slime. So you know how slime takes a lot of time and effort. Make a bit of a mess here. Keep kneading, keep putting the flour in, a little bit more. It will just go perfectly right. You will feel it. Oh, here we go, I love this. So much fun. All right, made a bit of a mess, but there's enough flour in there. And now we have, look at that, super yummy slime. Now this is where you can make it your own. So what I like to do is add some sprinkles for a little bit of decoration. We're gonna put those into there, knead it around. Sparkly pink, my favorite type of slime. And this is not only super fun, but also super edible marshmallow slime.